let's check out what we got here in the bag. Everything here for the AGP. We're going to be, rad and fan are installed. Let's get this, let's get these lower charge pipes assembled. Get this stuff all unboxed. Alright, here's our lower. This will be our upper. Got our clamps. Looks like we have the vacuum line plug there. Really nice. Got the screw-in temp sensor. Set up there for the HKS. Look at that. That's pretty. All right. So we got our boots on this one. It's ready to go. These are going to be the clamps. So we can get them worked onto that. Just slide them on. Right, there's that. Now, let's get this wonderful piece of equipment here out of the box. Here's our instructions. All nicely printed. Easily readable. That's a joke. They give you the little kit here on the side with some tees, the filter, some zip ties, the locking O-ring, and the rubber O-ring. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So you can see there's where the number is. All right, we got a little piece of tape here. There we go, in all its glory. HKS. Very nice. All right, let's get this bag opened up. There's a filter. Two vacuum tees in case you need them. What I thought was pretty cool about these, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, they actually say HKS right on them. So, this is what you got to do right there. Slides right in. I'm going to just kind of coat this with a little bit of WD-40. It's going to help aid with the install. And then it's kind of hard. Right here you can see, got to get this on the top side of this. So just kind of work it over like that. All right. Then I'm going to grab the correct snap ring pliers that I need for that. All right, angled right there. So basically you need to grab a hold of these Give it a squeeze. It'll make it small. Try not to pinch your fingers or have it hit your fingers because it's not fun. Alright, just like that. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to get this installed. Basically, all you got to do is get your O-ring in there. It slides in, and then lock your snap ring. I'm going to use both hands and get this done off camera. So I'm probably going to get myself in the finger with it. Well, luckily here we are in, and I had a chance for a third hand. Just nick this up just a little bit right there, but sometimes that happens when you get stuff in. You'll be able to spin this a little bit, so you'll be able to position it. I would say that because this pipe lays in this way, I'd position it that way because your air is going to come out here, and it's going to be better if it points down, regardless, just because water flows down. So if anything gets up in there, it's going to go back out. All right, so let's get the silicone pipes here apart. One's going to go on the top. One's going to go on the bottom. I think it might be... That's different. See, one's shorter, one's longer. So it might be like this. Man, I'm going to have to fit that up. We'll try to find a picture to look at. That would be helpful. Alright. See what's inside here. We have this. If you're going to be running PCM control boost, that way you can plug that. Put that in there where the plug is. 4 clamps are in the bag. And nice decal. They actually give you an instruction sheet here, which maybe this one will say where stuff needs to go. This product will not fit with the stock air box or the AEM short ram intake. These instructions are for the UHP shipped from AGP Turbo after May 22. Alright. So, there you go. They give you nice instructions on how to install it. So, maybe something in there will maybe tell me which way this goes on before I have to try to test fit it. So, alright, well there's assembly of the pipes. You know, pretty much real simple. I like to keep my clamps all going the same direction. So this lower one here, or this upper one here, I'm just going to have them all going this way to the back, like that. And then until I know which way these are going to go, let's just stick one on here. If it's going to go around the 90, and it fits around the 90, so there's that one. And then this one here is going to be toward the bottom, so I'm going to have it coming to the inside, just like that. And we have our cold side pipe is assembled, along with our hot side pipe. Alright, on to the next part. Alright, so we got this stuff assembled. Throttle body's on, all the sensors are switched over, pipe is assembled. I'm going to try to do it this way. I've done it like this with other ones where I've actually put this end on first before I slid it through. So let's see how this is going to work. Alrighty there. Alright. Not too bad. It's pretty big.